Welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add an end screen to your YouTube videos. End screens are a great way to get more views and subscribers by suggesting videos and pushing viewers to click on subscribe. You can of course add an end screen when you are uploading a video by going to the Video Elements tab and then choosing End Screen. I'll be showing you how to add an end screen for a video already uploaded, however the method will be exactly the same whether you have uploaded the video or not. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. When you're on YouTube, make sure you are logged into the channel account of the channel that has the video you want to add the end screen on. Now click on your logo in the top right and then choose YouTube Studio. In the YouTube Studio, click on Content or Videos from the options on the left, and you should now see the list of videos you have on your channel currently. Find the video from the list you want to add the end screen on. You can always use the search function to help you find it. Click on the thumbnail of the video and it should load the video details page. On here, look for the option called End Screen. It will be on the right side of the page. The window that opens is where you can add the end screen. If you want to use a template from a previous video with an end screen on it already, then choose Import from Video and then look for the video with the one you want to add and select it. You might want to use this function in the future when you upload new videos. To now add elements to your end screen, you can either use one of the default layout templates, such as one channel and 2 video links, or you can add each element manually by clicking on Add Element. Each method is similar when it comes to choosing what to add. For this method, we'll add ours manually. When you click on the Add Element button in the top left, you need to choose the type of content you want to add to the end screen. You can add things like playlists or videos, or promote people to subscribe to your channel, or link other channels and websites. We'll choose to add a video first. You then have 3 options. You can choose either your most recent upload, a best for viewer video which YouTube will automatically choose depending on who's watching, or you can select a specific video. If you choose a specific video, you then need to search for that video to add. It can be a video on a different channel. You might want to add a subscribe button to your end screen. This will be a logo that allows people to then click on subscribe. Add all of the elements you want, and then arrange them by dragging them within the preview box on the right. Remember that elements cannot overlap. Click on Save once you are done. And so that is how to add an end screen to your YouTube videos. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows 10 PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.